Changing your password on Reddit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password securely. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Reddit website or open the Reddit app and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select User Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Security tab. In the User Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to find options related to your account's security, including password changes. Step 4. Change your password. Under the Security section, find the option to change your password. You will need to enter your current password and then your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click on the Save button to apply the changes. You may be logged out and required to log in again with your new password. Now you have successfully changed your Reddit password. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for added security.